bergegar.
Dia macam tu. Buat sebenar dia macam tu. Yang tadi sebab dah potong.
3.2.
But I'm not living without you. This could be our one chance. We'll send a
Tour guide dia ayah je.
Tak baca Ni pokok. Ni pokok-pokok.
Pokok sedap. Oh, ni limau Bali.
You wanna see the sunrise, starry nights and endless seas. Riding out
Ya, kami sampai.
let's go and make this what it's meant to be.
Reason.
Let's scream it out. Let's go and make this what it's meant to be.
Kita nak ke checkpoint 2, Taman Rusa. Besarnya yang suka.
Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. It's all day and night. And then we'll both arrive. Do you feel your heartbeat? Do you feel the warmth beneath your feet?
Janganlah. Cik Comel.
You're standing next to me. Do you feel your heartbeat? Do you feel the warmth beneath your
Nak pergi ke checkpoint ketiga. Nak pergi ke Rabbit Park.
standing next to me? Cause you're standing next to me.
Okay, mari kita pulang bukan. Selesai. Ini last checkpoint tadi. Kita nak bikin ikan je. Dia boleh makan, boleh tangkap, boleh mancing. Dah habis. Kita balik. Tak plan pun nak datang sini. Tapi tempat ni besar gila. 1000 ekar. Puas pula nak habis kan. Tapi okey lah, banyaklah tempat dia. Bawa anak-anak tengok haiwan. Tengok tumbuh-tumbuhan. Okay, apa lagi? Selangor Fruit Valley.